I will show you 3 steps for installing DSW sensor on the roof. First one, which is the most difficult, is to get it to the roof. I've done it already, so let's get to the next step. Step 2 is to put the sensor close to the roof drain. It should be close to it like this. Sensor should be next to the roof outlets without emergency drains or close to inner drains. Solar panel should be facing south for efficient charging. So that was the second step. Last thing you have to do is to add the sensor to the smart roof platform using QR code. Simply scan the QR code from the sensor using your phone's camera and it's done. If the sensor is in the range of LoRaWAN network, there is nothing else to do. Your sensor is active and it's already measuring water buildups on your roof.